Welcome back to AI Foundation Learning. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest AI and machine learning tutorials. Today, we're continuing our series on generative AI terms, and our topic is RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is RAG? RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation, a powerful approach that combines the strengths of retrieval-based and generative models to improve the quality of generated text. Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, is a technique that enhances the capabilities of generative models by incorporating relevant information from a large corpus of text. Essentially, it retrieves relevant documents or pieces of information from a database and uses that information to generate more accurate and contextually appropriate responses. Let's break down how RAG works. It usually involves two main components. One, the retriever. This component searches a large corpus of documents to find relevant information based on the input query. Think of it as a search engine that picks out the most relevant pieces of text. Two, the generator. This component takes the retrieved information and the original query to generate a coherent and contextually appropriate response. Models like GPT-3 or T5 can be used for this purpose. By combining these two components, RAG can produce responses that are not only fluent, but also grounded in factual information. RAG offers several key benefits. 1. Enhanced accuracy. By retrieving relevant information, RAG can generate responses that are more accurate and factually correct. 2. Contextual relevance. The retrieved documents provide context, making the generated responses more relevant to the user's query. 3. Scalability. RAG can handle a vast amount of information, making it suitable for applications like customer support, information retrieval, and more. Here are a few examples of RAG in action. 1. Customer support. RAG can be used to provide precise answers to customer inquiries by retrieving relevant documents from a knowledge base. 2. Content creation. Writers can use RAG to generate well-informed articles or reports by pulling in relevant information from various sources. 3. Research assistance. Researchers can benefit from RAG by quickly retrieving and summarizing information from academic papers and articles. How does RAG compare to traditional generative models? Traditional generative models like GPT-3 generate text based solely on the training data they were fed. While they can produce fluent and coherent text, they sometimes lack the ability to provide accurate and up-to-date information. RAG, on the other hand, enhances these models by incorporating real-time information retrieval. This means that RAG can provide responses that are not only fluent, but also grounded in the latest and most relevant information. To sum up, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, is a powerful technique that combines the strengths of retrieval-based and generative models to produce accurate and contextually relevant responses. It's particularly useful for applications where factual accuracy and context are crucial. Thank you for watching RAG Explained on AI Foundation.